So I'm sitting on the top of my van about to have breakfast, and this is exactly how I'd always planned that this trip would be. So we've got some of this yogurt that we brought with us, and then some strawberries. A few of them are going a bit squishy now, so we're trying to finish them off. Blueberries. I bought sultanas, some dried peels, some banana chips and some fresh banana, which is lasting really well. I've had them about a week and they're still healthy, so that's good. And some water. After breakfast, we spent the morning exploring these ruins, and they're the ruins of the Battery of Salgueira, and they were built in 1897 to protect the port of Ferrol. Echo! Echo! And then we're going to head into a little town that we drove through yesterday that was really pretty and had a little village square that looked onto the harbour. So we're going to wander around there. We're planning to be in Spain for another few days before we go across to Portugal, so like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see what we get up to next.